Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to do an acid base neutralization. Materials required: vinegar, baking soda, balloon any color, funnel optional, and a spoon. So first you have to put the balloon on the funnel like this. Now you have to put the baking soda. Now funnel is optional because if you don't have a funnel, then you can get help from your mom. Then now you have to put this balloon. Then now we have to just put the baking soda. In 3, 2, 1, go go go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now you have a balloon, a blown up balloon.
Blown up.
Now you've blown it up.
Enjoy!
Enjoy!